There you are, leading your class through that quick list, and there are a couple kids who just aren't writing very much down. They might have one or two things written down. They're struck with blank paperitis. What do you do? What do you do? Everybody's quick list in the room looks something like this. This would be mine that's on the document camera, where we've been listing things from our heads. And those kids just have a couple things down. So what do you do with students who don't do their work? Well, first off, you don't think of it that way. You're looking at students who are trying and are just hitting some roadblocks. So you have an instructional decision to make before frustration mounts in. Here are a few of your choices. Most of these have really good intentions, but these choices mostly escalate the problem. Donald Graves said, "Those students are often the children who find it difficult to choose topics to locate a territory of their own." You don't want to have a situation on your hands where a little struggle turns into a big issue. These are bad ideas. Maybe they will escalate some other day. Maybe you'll end up talking to parents or counselors if there are some persistent things, but at this point, it's just part of the writing process. In order to have everybody have plenty to write about and to fill out a good quick list, use that light touch and maybe stop and ask for some students to share a couple of things from their list out loud. When students hear other students' voices, they really learn better than when they hear our voices. I don't know why that is. It's not a good idea to draw attention to who can help Dustin. He's having trouble. But to normalize that struggle and ask everyone, did anybody have trouble finding one of these categories more difficult than the other? And let your kids say which ones they found easy or difficult to think up ideas. Because everybody's different. So that's what I recommend, that you let a few kids say some of their ideas or go up and down the rows. Everybody say a few of your ideas, and those kids will appreciate the help, and they'll get it done. Donald Graves said, "The best confirmation comes from children who know what other children know." It does get easier, and it's important that nobody fail at this. Nobody starts with a blank page. We're going to help each other. That's what we do.